Alright, my friends, I got my new piece back. Well, got it from El Mail. So it's that Nismo power brace. There you go. I kind of took out one side, but at least, this is boxed out, so this is more stiffer than it's got the reinforcement across. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up, and hopefully everything lines up. If my frame rails don't line up, then I'm gonna have to take the car back to my in-laws and get that shit pulled to where it needs to be. The only reason why I say that is because this was in a previous accident before, and I don't know if they aligned those frame rails, but you kind of see how that one got bent up from the accident. And since I don't have this, here you can kind of see, since I don't have this, reinforced, it moves, and then the whole tire moves, and I don't know if you guys, I'm shaking too, but anyhow, this whole thing and this kind of got bent out, so I gotta put that should straighten that, and then build a weld a bar that goes across so I can mount this, which I'll probably do something similar, that I did here for the radiator support. I was gonna kind of, build off of that and go, but I want to have it go from chassis to chassis lock. So, I mean, not chassis, but frame rail to frame rail. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, and hopefully everything lines up. So, all right. So this is kind of like a pre-thing. I mean, guys, in this look for looks. I mean, look at the damn car's all fucked up, and fucking ain't painted, but I'm still drive this shit. Yeah. So, good news is, I don't know how the camera's gonna work, but here is the bottom of the car. So this went up just fine. The frame wasn't bent or anything crazy, so that was awesome. As soon as I put this, and then what's cool about this, you can adjust this like the A-arms, although the arms shouldn't have too, not the A-arms, but like the lower arm, it shouldn't move like too much. But from that being loose, it moved. But you always have these adjusters. So I got these centered from the strut on both sides. Of course, just using those adjustments. And then after I had put this guy on, this whole thing was nice and tight. Like, I was like, oh man, that's it was freaking awesome. So then I ended up going and I put back on the sway bar. It's funny because I don't remember it fitting like this. But I got the stock sway bar back on. I thought I had to buy those RB adjust spacers that kind of drop it lower, I guess, to clear the oil pan that they say, but I'm good. I don't need to. It's a V6, not an inline. So I got this sway bar and this, and that's all nice and sturdy. And then I just fabbed up these brackets real quick. I wanted to go across from there to there, but then I run into an issue with my lower radiator hose, and I was like, oh man, what the hell to do? So this was like, I couldn't move it at all. This really helps stiffen it up, but of course, I want to be better. I don't want to have that issue that I had before. And so I have it, I still got to take off all these and clean this up. Whenever I get to that, I'll take it off, clean it up, and maybe powder coat it, whatever. But for right now, she runs. So, but yeah, it's all nice and tight. There's no movement, and so I feel legit, man. I feel pretty legit with this. I don't know, I did nut and bolt. I'm thinking about welding this one here to lock that. At least I have that, and I could always just run a bead there, and then when I take it out, I could run a bead here, and then when I could take it out, I could do that. But I don't know, for the most part, this is my thing. But yeah, this is a Nismo piece, which is crazy because maybe it was a fake Nismo, but I got it from FR Sport. But I don't know, it's just pretty cool. So hopefully after I drop her down, I'm gonna go for a drive later tonight when I go to work. And then I also got an exhaust leak. I got to double check. I think it's the stupid flex pipe. But all right then, my friends. Hey, what's up? Yeah, so taking her out for a little cruise, checking everything out. The only thing that I noticed is that I need to get an alignment bad. What do you call it? That's one of my things. It's pulling to the left. I mean, naturally, I mess with the suspension and all that. So I got that going that I need to do. What else? The car is, besides pulling left, it's not like, you know, if I let go of the steering wheel just because of the, you know, alignment, but it's not like doing anything funky. It feels pretty good up front. Oh, here goes a little IS up front with exhaust and stuff. I don't know, man, I see 6 pounds against it. But then this guy's working flawlessly. Let's see. Got a nasty exhaust leak. I don't know what that is. Some 6-speed shit. I kind of took off to see if he would take the bike, but he's staying back there. I don't know. Maybe he might creep up. But anyways, so these plugs, they're the resistor type, 2668, not A, 2668 NGK, and I said it again, 2668 NGK. They're heat code, heat range 8 plugs, they're resistor type, and my ECU, or you know, my gauge cluster isn't disconnecting like I was. So it was the interference from the what do you call it? The spark, the noise from that was causing the communications to trip off. This fucking idiot. Got a whole fucking lane. They want to fucking cut left on me to go behind some other slow motherfuckers. People need to learn how to drive. And I freaking changed lanes one-handed. Well, I mean, not like it's a big deal, but I'm videotaping too, you know. It's like a lot of people can't even talk on a hands-free set and drive. But anyhow, back to that. So yeah, this thing is not missing a beat. It's just chilling. So I'm happy with that. The car is like, the front, man, I'm feeling like the car is very responsive now. With that, just everything that I did. So that's good. I just need to get in alignment and fix that exhaust leak. So the exhaust leak is the V-band that I have. I don't know if it got slipped or what, but my pipe kind of bottomed out. So I don't know if it might have bent or, you know, something. So I gotta go back there and see what's up. But besides that, you know, she's good. So that's about it. You know, 6th gear, only on 6 pounds. And yeah, I haven't driven the car, so it feels like you know, a 700 horsepower demon. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's like, you know, when you're a young kid and you feel VTEC, that's what this feels like. So, but I don't know. I'm just fucking around, talking some shit. But besides that, man, yeah, I'm really stoked. I need to slow my ass down. Doing 70 on 50 or 45, whatever this is. I still haven't learned my lesson, as you can tell. Oh, and speaking of which, that too, I got to go to court August 1st, so you know, we'll see what's up. I don't know, whatever. Everything will be all right. All right, guys. Like.